All right, the drink we're about to make is called Tango Cocktail. We're going to serve this up in a martini glass, so if you put some water and ice in there, let it sit while you're making your drink. It'll be nice and chill by the time you're done. Okay, fill up a mixing glass with ice, and we'll measure out a ½ ounce of sweet vermouth. And we'll follow that up with a ½ ounce of dry vermouth. And next we'll add 1 ounce of gin. Next we will add a ½ of a teaspoon of triple sec. And 1 tablespoon of orange juice. Okay, now we're going to shake it up. And if you know how to tango, this might be your perfect opportunity to show your skills while you're mixing your drink. Unfortunately, I do not. Go ahead and dump out your water. Set up your glass. And strain it in. And that's all there is to it. But always remember, it takes two to tango. Bottoms up.